Hello again. Welcome back to another video. This is going to be on this beautiful thing. So I just picked this up from Canadian Tire. It's $399. So it's a new gun cabinet to replace my old one because I need a new one. And this will help fill the gap until I can afford a safe, because those are way too expensive right now. And yeah, so I needed something in the short term. This is what I got. I'll unbox it and I'll show you everything once it's all done and organized. And it looks pretty good so far. Just got her out of the box, and this is a pretty nice cabinet. It looks nice. I really like the mat on it. It has pretty nice size keys. It's pretty dark in there, but good size. Got to fix up the mats and everything, organize it a little bit more, but it's pretty good. Pretty heavy duty for a little gun cabinet, but I think this thing will work pretty well. So it's all unboxed now. Got all my stuff loaded up into it, and it fits pretty good for what it is. So it's a 30. Say 20. It says 24 to 30 on the side of it, but honestly, you're looking probably like 20, 24 maybe, but it'll be good for what I need for. I don't have that much stuff to put in it. But yeah, this will be my new little cabinet for the time being. Like I said, I can't afford a gun safe yet. It's just not on the cards right now. That's something I'm going to look at getting at a later date. But yeah, so far this thing's looking pretty good. It's pretty well heavy duty and sturdy. I got it on the floor now, all bolted in, doesn't really move, so it's pretty good. It's gonna do its purpose, keeping everything nice and secure, and all that. I have everything. The cabinet is locked, and everything in there has locks on it, just for that extra peace of mind and keeping up with the rules, being one step ahead. But yeah, hope you guys liked the video. There's not a lot of these on there. It's a pretty big seller at Canadian Tire right now, so if you're definitely Canadian and looking to get one of these, highly suggest it. It's not that much and works pretty well. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next.